What's up mga papi? For today's video, isi-share ko lang sa inyo yung pinakabagong nabili kong sapatos online. This is the 361 Degrees Furious 2.0. So sa video na to, isi-share ko sa inyo yung mismong itsura ng sapatos. Ang colorway na binili natin is white and violet. And then isi-share ko rin sa inyo yung specs nitong running shoes. Maganda raw to for tempo run and long runs according dun sa mga nabasa ko sa internet. And of course, yun nga, isi-share ko rin sa inyo yung mga ibang reviews na nakita natin online about the shoes. Alright, let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're checking out the 361 Degrees Furious 2.0. Ito yung pinakabagong nabili nating sapatos online. A performance running shoes that's been making waves for its mix of speed, comfort, and value. So if you're thinking of picking up a pair, stick around because I'll walk you through the specs, yung mga experience ng mga users nito, and whether this shoe deserves a spot in your rotation. But for now, let's take a look at the box. Nothing special about the box, just a white box na meron 361 degree logo sa upper left side, and ito yung mismong shoes. So ang kinuha nga natin na colorway is yung white and violet kasi ayaw natin masyadong maraming kulay na shoes. And yeah, this is it. Ang ganda. Looks really premium. Ganda ng material ng upper niya. And sobrang light siya. This is, ang weight nito is around 230 grams for a size 8.5 US for men. Snug fit. Ang drop nito is 8 mm, which hits the sweet spot for most usual runners. Midsole, powered by quick foam and quick spring. Proprietary ng 361 degrees yun. May butas siya sa gitna to give you responsiveness and energy return. Yung upper niya is engineered mesh. Super breathable. Sobrang nipis ng upper niya. And looking at it, snug fit to, but not suffocating. Ganda. Ang hindi lang masyadong gusto ko rito is yung lacing system niya. Parang hirap kalasin. But the inner is very good. Yung outsole niya is made out of rubber with decent traction, especially for road runs. This is a carbon plate shoes, and feeling ko this is good for 10K to a half merry running event. Hindi ko alam kung okay siya sa marathon. Yung lacing ang hindi ko masyado gusto, parang hirap niya kalasin. But anyway, I bought this at Shopee sa official store ng 361 Degrees for 5,800 pesos. And this is how it looks like nung finit ko na. Sobrang comfy. My size is 8.5, 41.5 sa size ng 361 Degrees. Snug fit. Very light and snappy. Doesn't feel bulky at all. So it's great for tempo runs, feeling ko. Intervals, even racing. Sa tingin ko okay to. The midsole foam has that balance, not too soft that you sink, not too firm that it feels harsh. So that's our initial impression. We will see pag tinakbo natin to sa Sunday sa Ultra. Tingnan natin if this will measure up with the X-Step 160X 6.0, which is my favorite running shoes. For the durability, according to my research in the internet, this shoes is good for 600 to 700 kilometers. Just one more note na nakita natin sa internet. If you prefer really plush cushioning, you might find it a little on the firmer side. It's more tuned for speed than all-day recovery mileage. So, yun yung nakita natin sa internet na mental note for this particular shoes. But anyway, this shoes looks good. Ang ganda ng itsura niya. Yung upper niya, ang ganda rin. Ang nipis, very lightweight. So, if you're planning to buy one, panoorin nyo yung susunod na video natin. I will share to you yung experience ko personally dito sa sapatos na to. And I will tell you if this is worth adding to your shoes rotation. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Till the next video. Peace!